My name is Jerry Johnson. I'm Commercial Director for Velocity Composites Limited. We manufacture structural and consumable kits for the aircraft industry. Our decision to get involved in the ASCE 2 Learner to World-Class programme came relatively late, as we don't operate at an end-to-end capability for the manufacture of composite components. We got involved in the programme around 2 years ago, primarily to assist in the writing of the foundation processes around bagging techniques. During this process, we realised that 60% of the foundation processes were applicable to a young business like ours and would provide some real benefit. And around 18 months ago, we chose the 6 that best reflected our business, and following a self-assessment, chose 3 which would have the best impact.
Velocity Composites picked NPI, New Product Introduction, as one of the key foundation processes for improvement. Can you just explain to me the journey you've been on for the last 18 to 24 months?
Before we selected the NPI foundation process, we did actually have an existing new product development process, but that was more engineering based and didn't capture the requirements of the business across all departments. Right. So the NPI process that we've got is the full life cycle management really of the project, using a gate review process as we move through the project. That's underpinned by the risk, which we assess at each gate as well to manage risks associated with that. On the gate process, our original MPD actually comes in under gates 4 and 5.
Right, and that's the main engineering activity.
That's the main engineering activity where our engineers will go out and engage with the customer, get the requirements, come back.
And nest the product and things.
Absolutely, yeah. So gate 6 is the first article validation, so that's the actual cutting of the product and making sure that obviously it's right to what the customer wanted before we send it out. That obviously involves customer and ourselves.
And the customer buys that off as well,
Yeah. So supporting that every month is the sales and operational planning review.
And what's the main aim behind this then?
Capacity planning, understanding your capacities, your requirements, not just of your existing workload, but future work as well.
Okay. And where did you finish up on the model then?
Our latest scoring actually put us into contender, which was the aim really for us to start with.
What would you say are the 3 key improvement areas that have been on the programme?
What the NPI process has given us is better structure in terms of planning the project up front, so a better understanding across all departments, a better understanding of the risks associated with the project, and also a better understanding of the capacities associated with not only existing business but future business.
Our business has grown 400% in the last 2 years, and the ASCE 2 Learner to World-Class programme has supported us throughout this. NPI has helped us incorporate new business smoothly, TPM has increased our OEE percentages, process control has enabled a reduction in inspection and will help future NADCAP accreditation, and the introduction of 5S, OEE and the PPS tool sets have increased the capability in our workforce considerably. Going forward, we have integrated the KPIs of the foundation processes into our business scorecard, which is owned by the management team and reviewed monthly.